Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you another simple rice recipe which is really good for vegetarians. So today we are cooking rice with leek and potatoes. We hope you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as we do. So the first step is you're going to cut your leek, both stalk and leaves. Just cut it up like that. The next step is you're going to peel a medium-sized potato, and then you're just going to slice it up into small pieces like we have done for easy cooking. Next step is a nice big pot, 1 liter of water, 1.5 cubes of vegetable broth cubes, and then you're just going to mix that up, making sure they all melt well and maintain that mixture warm. Then you're going to get a pan, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then you're going to pour in your leek and fry this for about 2 minutes. After that, you're going to add in your cup of rice, 1 cup of rice, and fry it for another 2 minutes together, making sure to stir so that you do not burn your rice or your leek at this point. After that 2 minutes, you're going to add in your broth. You keep adding scoops of broth, and that's what we're going to cook this rice with. No other additions of liquid, just the broth that we had made earlier. So make sure to cook it with your lid totally closed every time. Only open the lid when you need to add in broth or you need to check if it's cooking well, because it can stick to the bottom. So from time to time, make sure you check it that it's cooking well so that you don't burn it. When the rice is halfway cooked, you're going to add in your sliced potatoes, and then you're going to cook this together for the rest of the cooking time. So put in all your potatoes, make sure they are well mixed in there, and leave it to cook. Continuing to cover it with the lid, of course. Keep checking from time to time that it is not sticking to the bottom so that you do not burn it, and continue adding in that broth to keep the rice cooking. So when your rice is almost done, almost cooked, for the last bit of the cooking, your potatoes are breaking up easily, you're going to add in your last scoops of broth. Mix that up well, and then you're going to add in your butter. Add in as much butter as you would want. Not too much, not too little, just whatever you prefer. But yeah, you're going to add in some butter at this point. And just mix it all in there, and then you're going to leave it to simmer with that butter. So you have to make sure you keep checking from time to time so that you do not burn it. When it is all simmered down, add in about 3 tablespoons of your cheese, whatever type of cheese you prefer, and just mix it all up. At this point, our rice is ready, our rice is done. We hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, don't forget to let us know what you think. Bye-bye.